Different types of salad. 1. Caesar salad, a classic favorite. The Caesar salad is known for its crisp romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, and creamy dressing. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 head romaine lettuce, chopped 1 cup croutons, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup Caesar dressing. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the chopped romaine, croutons, and Parmesan cheese. Drizzle with Caesar dressing and toss until evenly coated. Serve immediately. 2. Mediterranean chickpea salad. This vibrant salad is packed with protein and fresh flavors, perfect for a light meal or side dish. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 cucumber, diced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/2 red onion, finely chopped 1/4 cup olives, sliced 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled to tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, olives, and feta. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Serve chilled. 3. Caprese salad. Simple yet elegant, the caprese salad highlights the delicious combination of fresh mozzarella, basil, and ripe tomatoes. Recipe. Ingredients: 3 large tomatoes, sliced 1 ball fresh mozzarella, sliced fresh basil leaves, balsamic glaze, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: on a platter, alternate layers of tomato slices and mozzarella. Tuck basil leaves in between layers. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic glaze, then season with salt and pepper. Serve fresh. 4. Asian noodle salad. This salad brings a burst of flavors with colorful veggies and a tangy sesame dressing, making it a great side or main dish. Recipe. Ingredients: 8 or soba noodles, 1 cup bell peppers, sliced 1 cup carrots, shredded 1/2 cup green onions, chopped 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped 1/4 cup sesame oil, 3 tablespoons soy sauce to tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: cook soba noodles according to package instructions, then rinse under cold water. In a large bowl, combine noodles, bell peppers, carrots, green onions, and cilantro. In a separate bowl, whisk together sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and honey. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Serve chilled. 5. Watermelon feta salad. A refreshing summer salad that combines sweet watermelon with tangy feta cheese and fresh mint for a delightful contrast. Recipe. Ingredients: 4 cups watermelon, cubed 1/2 cup feta cheese, crumbled, 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, torn juice of 1 lime, salt to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine watermelon, feta cheese, and mint leaves. Drizzle with lime juice and sprinkle with salt. Gently toss and serve immediately. Enjoy exploring these delicious salads, each offering a unique blend of flavors and textures that are perfect for any occasion.